Hello dear students, today we are going to study maths matrix class 2nd. Now we are going to start. Today we are going to solve some subtractions of borrowing 100 and tens. Okay, look at here are some subtraction. This is 1, this is 10 and this is hundreds. We are going to solve these. This is 7, we cannot subtract 8 from 7. That's why we will borrow 10 from here and this is become 17. Now we will minus 8 from 7. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Now this is become 2 because we borrowed here. That's why this is become 2. Now we will borrow 10 from 100. This is become 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now this is become 7. Now 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. When we minus 658 from 837, we get 179. Okay, now this is 1, we cannot minus 5 from 1, that's why we will borrowing from here. This is become 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now this is become 4. We will borrowing 10 from here. This is become 14. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. We will write here 6. Now this is become 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, when we minus 385 from 551, we get 166. Now this is 6. We cannot minus 7 from 6. That's why we will borrow from here 10. Okay, this is become 16. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Okay, now this is become 5 because we borrowed here. That's why this is become 5. 5 we cannot minus 7. That's why we will borrowing from here from 100. We get 10 from here and this is become 15. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Now this is become 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. When we minus 177 from 766, we get 589. Now this is 3. We cannot minus 8 from 3. That's why we will borrowing from here. This is become 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Now this is become 1. We cannot minus 9 from 1. That's why we will borrowing from here. This is become 10. 11. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. We will write here 2. Now this is become 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. When we minus 198 from 423, we get 225. Now this is 5. We will borrowing from here. This is become 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now this is become 2. We will borrowing from here. This is become 12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Now this is become 5. We will minus 2 from 5. We get 3. Okay, when you minus 296 from 635, we get 339. Now this is 2. We cannot minus 9 from 2. That's why we will borrow from here. This is become 12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Now this is become 4. We cannot minus 6. That's why we will borrowing from here 10. This is become 14. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Now this is become 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. When we minus 469 from 952, we get 483. Okay, now this we will get 10 from here. This is become 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. This is become 3. We will borrowing from here. This is become 13. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Now this is become 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. When we minus 194 from 342, we get 148. Now this we will borrowing from here. This is become 14. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Now this is become 2. We will get 10 from here. This is become 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now this becomes 6. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. When we minus 557 from 734, we get 177. So this is today's subtraction of borrowing from 100 and tens and ones. Okay, I hope you liked it. If you like, then subscribe this channel for more videos like this. On this channel you can study English, maths, science, GK, EVS, etc. Okay, thanks for watching this video.